Hello, fellow students. I hope you are as excited as me for the topic of electric mobility. In this video, we are going to explore the occupancy profile of different public bike stations in the city of Helsinki. In the following map, the yellow dot represents stations that have a very high occupancy, which means more than 75% of the station is occupied on average in a specific hour. The same thing will go for low occupancy when the dots are blue. The diameter of the dots represents the level of confidence. In practice, if the dots are big, it means that we are almost sure that in that hour the occupancy will be above the threshold, which in this case is 75%. You can see the map of the city of Helsinki and numerous dots. Each dot represents a station. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a clock that represents the passage of the hours. This is an average day, so it means that the dots that have a very high occupancy, so are yellow and with large diameter, in this hour of the day will usually have a lot of bicycles parked in the stations. If we place a charging station in areas that have a very high occupancy during the central hour of the day, we can also place PV arrays, photovoltaic arrays, and this guarantee that a very large number of vehicles will be charged with solar energy.